question that directionally it continues to be extremely strong. Maybe the rate of growth, given how large it's become, has been muted as it relates to the global e-commerce. But I don't think that changes the
Alrighty, hey guys, good morning. It's Dave Santarelli from Santarelli Trading Exchange and BreakingChartAlerts.com. We got Dylan here with us today.
Good morning.
Guys, here we are. SPY here is at the lows of the morning. Opening bell just happened. We're at 392.83 here on SPY. So first off, what I wanted to do is go through this with you guys. It's very important. Let me put Charlie down a little bit there. All right, guys, so first thing off, most important here, you guys can see that 390 area. That's some major support here going way back. So we can see here, if we draw this back, that was old resistance, and then it became support. So this was all resistance right here that you can see. It got up to resistance, up to resistance. That's all resistance there. And then we came down, and it became support. So that's showing you right there that's pretty strong support and resistance area. And then right here, again, it came down and tested that support, okay? So now what we got to be looking for here, this is why we're not making any swing trades on SPY just yet. Discipline, patience are key right here. So right now we are looking at that 390 area on SPY and seeing what that's going to be doing over here the next few days. So if we hold that 390, start to get a spike, I'll look to that 400, that 410 for a swing trade. Right now we got candles side by side here with previous candles body. So we're not doing anything with SPY just yet, okay? Very important to understand that. So that's what we're looking for with SPY. We have the hedge on against our long shares that we picked up yesterday. And we also have an ExxonMobil trade that's down about $1 here today. You know, 96.26 there. So that one goes all the way until the October expiration. That's the whole point of why we got that expiration like we did. So today we're going to be watching SPY. We should probably have some good profits on SPY puts there today. If she drops down to that 390 holds, I might sell out of that SPY hedge. If it continues to pull back there, I'll add to it. Going down the watch list now. So that's SPY on a daily chart. If we take a look at Q's quick, QQQ, and we see this, you guys can see Q's same thing. 290 is just about major support area there. We got the bodies coming down to about 293. But 290 is a good support area there on Q's. Had a big run there, pulled back, retraced. Now we're kind of holding that 290 area. Unemployment numbers came out today. They were better than expected, so not too bad there. You know, if we go down the watch list here, you know, it's just one of those days that we just got to be disciplined and follow that trade plan. You know, don't be jumping into trades. Don't be forcing trades. Don't be looking for something that's not there yet. So you guys can see Baba's getting a little lift there. You guys can see strong consolidation, strong support right around that $87 area on Baba. Google there, pulling back still, 104.09. That might be a nice opportunity to pick something up there on Google. Down about 30% off the highs. We got Disney there holding that 110 area, holding above that red 50-day simple moving average on the Disney daily chart. Netflix having a nice day today. Shares up about 3.31% there. Nice little pop. Holding that red 50 SMA. Twitter's consolidating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles there. 6 days just consolidation on Twitter. JP Morgan Chase 115.82, continuing to pull back a bit. Bank of America, same thing. The airlines are looking pretty good there, 32.85. Oil's continuing to drop there, looking good there on Delta. So here comes the other airlines, United, and then we got Southwest. You know, these are all looking pretty good there. Tesla shares 302.43. Tesla looks ready to take off there. Shares climbing. That might be a really nice opportunity for a quick little swing trade or even a day trade there with Tesla. Amgen, Caterpillar. Intel 2906. That's going to be a really nice buy there. Meta Platforms getting a nice little pop there. Came down, tested that 150. I'd love to do something with Google, guys. I really think Google's going to take off here. You know, we got some good support here on Google. You know, I mean, look at that bottom right here on Google. If we draw this up here, you guys can see we got a nice area of support here on Google. So that's some support right there. So, you know, and then you got some resistance right around that 120. So you got resistance, you got your support there. So if you start climbing, then I'd be looking for a climb back up to 120 here. If it tests that support and starts to climb, you know, obviously right now it's just, well, it was just green there. But right now I'm just watching this. You know, if it starts to get a decent climb there above 105, I might do a short-term swing trade, trade it back up to 110 to 120. Easy money. But you got to see if it's going to hold the support area right now on Google. So that's what I'm going to be watching throughout the day there if that holds. I mean, she's getting a climb off the lows there. It's looking pretty good, to be honest with you. Some of the other tech stocks are in the green. We got Meta Platforms, Facebook in the green. Netflix is taking off, up 4.5% there. All right, let's continue to go down. Here is 3-month daily chart on Baba, looking pretty good there, holding about 90 bucks. Twitter, Salesforce there came right down, tested that 10-day simple moving average. PayPal's looking good. Look at how it just had that 1020 crossover, came down, tested that 95, held that 95 right at that 10-day simple moving average, and it's at the highs of the day right now. Even though the markets are pulling back, PayPal's only down 91 cents at the highs of the day, continuing to break. I think that's going to easily hit that 100 bucks there. I like PayPal going forward here, guys. I really do. I really like PayPal there going forward. I mean, that's one that's just coming off that huge pullback that we just had from 300 bucks all the way down to $60. That's a big move there. So far, going down the watch list, what I've seen that I like is PayPal and Google. I like PayPal and Google so far. Let's continue to go down, see what else we see here. Boeing's at highs of the day, so markets are getting a nice little climb there. Under Armour shares $7.69. That'd be a nice pickup there. I might do something with that soon. I'm watching that, eyeing that up for a while. AT&T there, 1683. That's a nice buy. Nvidia 129.94. FedEx not doing much there. BP. Tesla shares at the highs of the day, up $2.12. Definitely want to keep on your radar there. You know, the general market pulled back, but Tesla remained resilient here and continued to climb. Like that setup. AMD $75.95 after this stock was just at 160 bucks. It's coming down to old time support here. You guys see that going all the way back to 2020. So we're at some major support right now on AMD at 75 bucks here, going all the way back to these areas here. And you guys can see this area consolidation and support. That's support. So we got some major support right now on AMD. So if it holds that 75 bucks there, starts that climb, it'd be a nice pickup there. I like that setup there on AMD. Keep that on your radar there because that's the major support. So if it starts climbing off that 75 bucks, it's a nice opportunity for a little swing trade there. Micron shares 52.50.
Chapek has made it very clear we want to keep ESPN, and so I did ask him.
Dave, check out Delta Airlines.
Well, give us
Yeah,
a
I was
little
just
more
looking at
here.
Delta before. That was looking good, up 1% there.
What do you believe you can do to
Let me
create a
go
different
down here
growth
quick.
trajectory than the one it clearly
Airlines
is on?
looking pretty good, especially with gas prices pulling back. Look at Embraer there. Embraer looks good too.
Through the eyes of the ultimate consumer, because I believe if you do that, then you can't go wrong.
Airbnb, Booking, Lucid. Lucid's gonna be a good one.
Fans, what do they want?
All those charging stations too, like Blink.
The ability to have a frictionless
I like this setup on ExxonMobil. Holds that 10. I'm gonna add to that trade.
having to have four screens in
EWAC.
front of you. We, as ESPN, have the ability to do that. Now we're going to need
Hertz
a partner to do that,
1933. Snapchat's got a nice climb there today.
for the Walt Disney
Nice
Company.
climb on
But
Snap.
At the same time, to be able to partner with a well-respected third party that can do that for us, that can have the advantage of, you know,
Man, look at that freaking PayPal going. What do you think? Should we do a PayPal trade?
the experience with our guests.
I like that. I really like that trade.
Go to another
That's just a nice breakout there.
Yeah, all right. So sports betting is certainly one idea or one area that it would seem gives you a new growth trajectory for this business. Is there
What do you guys think about doing that trade right there on PayPal? Maybe picking up like the 98 or 100 strike call. There we go. PayPal's just turned green.
and the West Coast, figuring out how we
S&P
make
futures
it
now
more
bouncing.
friction-free
Nice climb. I think PayPal's going to run, guys. What do you think?
viewers. And obviously,
Snapchat now up 3% on the
Yeah,
day.
I mean, it just got the 1020 cross.
whether they
Getting the cross on the MACD. That looks great on the daily.
broadcast partners
That looks really great there. I'm going to pick up some PayPal.
even more than ever is the pinnacle of all your broadcast needs.
You getting that one ready?
Yeah, I am.
We'll be working on that, and at some point when we're all fully baked, we'll come to
What do you think
share
that'll
with
be?
us.
What do you think that'll be at some point? I mean, how long do you wait until we sort of have a real sense for what the plan is?
Well, we don't have an exact timetable.
Okay, let's see. PYPL. Buy to open contracts. Let's see what expo do we want to do. 23rd.
What's the future of sports?
98 call. What's that going for there? $3. That's not bad.
So that it's not just
Do I want to do next week's expo or do I want to get September 30th?
greater. You know, we talk about next gen
HKD
storytelling.
shares
We talk
continuing
about
to
sports
move
betting. We
here
talk
after
about things like
trading
Eli,
on the
those
higher
curated.
75 now.
All right, September 30th expo looks great there. I'm going to pick up the 98 strike call
Technology its sake, but to advance the storytelling and
for September 30th.
so that instead of it being a lean back experience, it's a lean forward experience where you're integrated.
Let me just see here. So that is what? That's 2 weeks.
Got to do with fantasy sports, sports betting, or whatever else is on the horizon.
Right. So, I mean, maybe we're in the metaverse here too somehow with I don't know, in the middle of a football game.
Well, that essentially is what we're referring to when we talk next-gen storytelling.
Right.
We typically don't use the metaverse name for it because we believe that we've got a unique take on it as a Walt Disney company, but that is exactly what it is. It's that seamless integration of being able to not only consume the game.
Okay, I'm in that PayPal trade at $4.05, guys. That's going to go out to September 30th. All I'm looking for there is a target of about 105. Target's going to be 105, and our stop is going to be about $95 on that trade.
You said it's part of the melting ice cube that's cake.
Well, and we certainly know the
Short
tailwinds
term
we have,
swing trade.
these new ideas that we feel confident in them, but we also know that there's headwinds in terms of that melting ice cube of the cable universe, and we believe that, you know, ESPN.
What did you say your stop was going to be on that?
That's going to be $95.
We ever conceived of.
95 bucks there. There we go. Me.
Well, look, he's right. I don't know if he plays fantasy.
Bill Hurley said, let's do PayPal. We are in it there, Bill. In it to win it. There we go. Highs of the day.
You make it so that
New swing trade.
a player you like in the
Roger Federer,
you can
I
bet
think
on
is
kind
your
of
friend
prop
from
bet
tennis.
how many points you will get. how many points
Roger
you
Federline.
Obviously, you have fantasy right in your machine. Why can't you just bet, go instead of having to go
Retiring.
to DraftKings, just go right to one site, and you can use DraftKings to do it. So I mean, I think that when I get to Disney,
Positions.
I think I can solve
Shares
it
of
by the
Roku
Super Bowl.
spiking
All right?
here. Or you're on Oscar.
Shares of Roku spiking here.
They haven't figured it out yet, so they're listening closely.
Roku.
And now
Okay, so here is that new trade on PayPal that we just made. I posted that in the trade room. I'll post the trade right here.
From what I understand. No offense to you.
A theme park up in the Permian? I'm thinking possibly.
Excuse me. Oh, she's still breaking out there, Dilly.
Ratings on the U.S. Open for ESPN. And by the way, you see Federer retiring
Nice.
minutes ago.
What a class act.
What a career.
All right, I'll share that in the thing.
We're all on ESPN's,
Copy.
and we all want to bet.
Roku's on fire there, huh? I don't get why Roku's such a big thing. Do you?
I don't.
Like, why don't you just buy a smart TV and have that instead of the Roku?
I think
I
it's
don't
more
get
of
it.
the ease of access of it and everything. You know, you can.
It's
kinda
not
take
easy
the-
for me.
Well,
And about a 3-week here on this investor day. What's so important for certainly your club members to take note?
Well, I think that you is something that Mr. Broussard said on Mad Money, which is that the flu's now worse.
Man, PayPal is taking off there, Dill. Did you get in?
I did get in.
You did? Nice.
Yep.
What was your fill price?
I got 415, so I got a couple cents. higher than you.
415.
Yeah, you got 405. I was in at 415.
Okay.
I'm
Not
more
bad.
worried about getting it out for our members, you know.
Attaboy. That's looking like a nice trade. All I'm going to do is target like this high right here from August 16th. So I'll probably target like 102. So about a $5 climb, I'll be out of that trade. And look at the markets there. Hughes and SPY just got a couple big red candles there pulling back. That's why you're seeing PayPal pull back about 20 cents there.
Got some upgrades of Win today.
Robinhood's up 5.5% there today. Snapchat's still going. Look at our baby Snap. How many of you guys are in Snapchat? That one came right down, tested that blue 20-day simple moving average, holding at the highs of the day, up 4% on the day. I think in 13 bucks pretty quick on that one again. Sky Jackson Snap.
Moving to Expedia, I just interviewed Expedia the other day. Now, I will say that Laura Albert has a terrific bench. She had an
Nice, John. Look at that. John's up $3,000 already there today. Nice job, John.
encouraging travel company, especially when you match it against her.
Well, we do have the Southwest guidance.
Good morning, Tony.
They don't see any real hiccups barring unforeseen events. They did note maybe a little bit less business travel activity.
That's true, and Expedia
Look at that Cassava Sciences there, Captain. I got that one pulled up on my other screen right there.
economy goes somewhere.
And I see that one taking off big time. Highs of the day. Whenever I see Cassava Sciences, I think of you and Karen. Baba's at highs of the day now as well. Nice breakout there on Baba.
I keep going back to what you said, which is that the Fed has got to start looking at some of these weaker numbers. They can't just say CPI bad, let's just keep ratcheting. He has to go back to 2018.
Let's see there.
He realized, wow, maybe I've got to wait. I really kind of botched things by saying we're going to have 333. So I think he's going to, I know he listens to the show, and I just say, Fed Chief, you can do what you want this
Let's take a look at SPY. We'll watch that while we're seeing what we do here today. Came down, tested that 10-day, but you can see SPY, that consolidation. You see? And you guys could clearly see that, right? Once you know the trade plan, you guys know what exactly you're looking for right there, right? Consolidation box. Now we're breaking out. We're just at about highs of the day now on SPY. We got PayPal taking off there again, 97.74. Up 7 cents on the day, 0.07%. Let's see if we can see that SPY breaking out there, if it's just going to continue that consolidation.
Claims were a little better than expected, but Philly Fed lower than expected,
ROKU,
Empire the same,
Roku
and
shares
industrial production.
Roku shares. There we go. There goes SPY breaking out. Nice breakout there on SPY. There goes PayPal there too. 98.11, nearing highs of the day on PayPal. Snapchat up at highs of the day right now at $12 a share on Snapchat. Shares up over 4%. 4.12%, 12.01 a share. There goes SPY, new highs of the day on SPY. We got a nice breakout forming. There goes SPY. It broke that 394 resistance quickly. One candle, 394.50. We should see that 395 resistance next. See if we could get up there and tag that 395. PayPal shares breaking out big time, guys. Eyes of the day on PayPal. Eyes of the day on PayPal. Nice. We got a 7% gain. Already up $500 on the PayPal trade. Nicely done there, team. Hertz up 3%. Hertz is looking good there, Cap. Are you still in that Hertz trade? Still got those. Here's that trade that we made here on PayPal just a little earlier. We picked up the PayPal September 30th. We picked up that 98 strike call. We got 20 contracts. It's about what, $8,000, $8,200 trade, something like that. Up $500 on the trade, up 6.17%. And PayPal is still breaking out there at highs of the day right now, up 70 cents on the day, 0.70%. So nice gain already on that. And PayPal's still breaking out. Let me go refresh. And we got some nice gains there still, guys. PayPal's starting to break out again. Yeah, we're up 7% on the PayPal trade. So nice gains on that already. See if she could break out. I think we might see PayPal at that $100 here today. If we do, I'm probably going to end up taking profits there. Tesla is at highs of the day, says Skyjack there. Let's see Tesla. Tesla was looking good this morning. I should have jumped in that one there, Sky. Wanted to jump in. Where the hell is Tesla here on my watch list? There she is, 306.03. That was a nice candle breaking out there. Baba at highs of the day. You guys see Baba 90.70 on Baba. Q's and SPY breaking out again. Looking good. Looking good. Financials are taking off nicely, guys. Take a look here at Bank of America and JP Morgan. Take a look at that chart there on JPM. That's a beautiful breakout there. She might see that 120 there today. Keep an eye on JP Morgan. Here's Bank of America. New highs of the day on BHC. Up 2% of the day on BAC. JP Morgan's only up 1.3%. So you got like another percent there that JP Morgan's lagging behind Bank of America. So nice setup there on the financials. We got Amazon going. Amazon's in the green. She's climbing. Looking good there. Looking good. PayPal's there going now too. Nice breakout on PayPal. Yes. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Man, I love it. Look at Netflix, though. This morning when we were watching it, it was up like 3%. It was just up 6% at the highs of the day there.
Meet the press now, streaming weekdays at 4 p.m. on NBC News Now. These used cars look the same, but Carfax can show how damage history affects the value.
Your damage has always been visible. Twins.
Stop. Hey, shop at the all-new Carfax.com.
Identical twins.
I'm staring at the watch list to see if we get any good movers there. Make sure you guys are watching over here too on the market movers list here. If you guys see something really moving, let me know. Natural gas. Wow, look at natural gas. So this is ultra short natural gas right here. Gas prices must be dropping. Zone Medica. That one's always on the market mover list for the past few months. CEI, that's another energy stock that always moves. See Baba 90.55, Sava 33.42. Q's are breaking out there. Q's almost at highs of the day once again. Snapchat shares up almost 5% at highs of the day. Nice. Got a $5,000 gain on Snapchat shares today. looking good.
Find your purpose at
Watching the markets. Q's just had a big red candle there. Ooh, big red candle on Q's coming in. Take a look.
Look at JP Morgan. It's taking off.
What's that?
JP Morgan taking off.
JP Morgan taking off? Yeah, that was a good one there. Should have jumped in. She's going to catch up to BAC. Oh, man, look at JP Morgan.
That would have been a nice one, man.
Look at her go. Sky, are you still in JPM? Someone was still in JP Morgan, if I remember correctly.
Find out. Block actually took it on the chin a bit this morning as well.
But boy, I looked at a firm down by Sunday. That should be the leader. That's the gold standard decision.
David, a lot more coming up in the next hour, right?
Without a doubt. More from Chapek, of course, in our interview. We're going to talk about future of Hulu, because also some comments as well from our parent company CEO Brian Roberts at the same conference yesterday involving that asset. We talked about that, and then we're going to have a lot more from the interview with Hans Vestberg, of course, in terms of the future of 5G that they've been talking about for quite some time, and sort of his answers on when it's going to deliver. So yeah, without a doubt.
HKD shares resume trading. Hotel Kilo Delta. Shares the high 366.92 at $295.50.
They want to come on, show me how I'm wrong. Maybe I'll dress up in this stuff. I don't know if it's me, Carl, but people are worried.
Did you see Kanye terminating his deal with Gap? Saying they didn't open as many promised stores.
Well, Gap is. They are nice people.
At least we got the upgrade. I think it was of Nordstrom, right? Jeffrey's
Can you
next to
even said that Rack is going to make a comeback?
Yep.
Well, that would be something because Rack was awful. And by the way, downgraded Kohl's, another group of nice people. David, they're nice people everywhere.
There are, thankfully. There are a lot of nice people. Yes.
Theme park, David. Think theme park. We need more theme parks.
Yeah, New Mexico. Can't wait. Get right on that, Jim. We're all going to just love it.
I don't think David brought that up, but maybe we'll find out.
Well, I'm going to buy that 300,000 acres I put aside for them. I'll get an option on it, and then they come after me. I'm telling you, nice to see you, Carl.
You're going to be a very wealthy man. Jim, we'll see you tonight.
That JP Morgan's looking incredible there. Look at Q's, how much that just pulled back.
On to 39.50 as financials doing okay, even in the face of some energy weakness. Don't go away.
Ford's having a good day, back up over 15 bucks. Look at Ford there going.
Your puppy depends on you, and you can depend on Blue for the nutrition growing pups need. All Blue puppy foods start with real meat and are made with the ingredients puppies need to grow up healthy and strong, like DHA and ARA to support cognitive development and high-quality protein to support healthy muscle growth. Help give your new best friend a healthy head start, and see why no other natural dog food brand is more trusted than
Coming up, business inventories in 1 minute.
Plaque psoriasis are
50 plus
rethinking the choices they
0.6%.
make, like the shot they take, the memories they create, or the spin they initiate. Otezla, it's a choice you can make. Otezla is not a cream, it's a pill that treats plaque psoriasis differently. With Otezla, you can achieve clear skin. Don't use if you're allergic to Otezla. Otezla can cause serious allergic reactions. It may cause severe diarrhea, nausea, or vomiting. Otezla is associated with an increased risk of depression. Tell your doctor if you have a history of depression or suicidal thoughts, or if these feelings develop.
An LCO, local resort,
Your doctor should monitor
now.
your weight and may stop treatment. Upper respiratory tract infection and headache may occur. Tell your doctor about your medicines and if you're pregnant or planning to be. Otezla, show more of you.
The day's biggest political stories with trusted insight now and expert analysis now.
I hate that freaking commercial. That's all I've been hearing all week. Now. Hear it now. I hate that one.
Political stories with trusted insight now.
See? Again. They play it like 5 times back to back.
Meet the Press Now, streaming weekdays at 4 p.m. on NBC News Now.
We gotta focus on
Squarespace up 2.2.
Spy's looking to break out right here.
And in line.
Business inventory is in line.
There he goes. Pop on the news.
Yep. We should get a nice pop on that news there, Dilly. There we go. Look at PayPal going. Yes.
Let's go.
Nice. PayPal. Go, baby. Go, 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 go. We got a 10% gain. We're up $800 on the PayPal trade. Beautiful.
Look at Spy taking off.
We got a $1,000 gain on the PayPal trade right now. All right, will you share this in the trade room there for me? Oh, there goes PayPal. What a breakout.
This particular batch is, of course, our business inventories month of July. So it's
Alrighty, guys, so here is that PayPal trade that we just made a little bit ago. Here it is right now. We got a 11.73% gain on that, $950. Really nice gain on that already. We just made that trade a little bit ago, 10-15 minutes. I think we're gonna see a nice climb on that. If she hits $100, say I'll probably be up about $2,000. I might lock it in. Depends what we're gonna do there, Dylan. Today, are we gonna be spending a lot of money today? Should I be good at $2,000 or should I let her go till about $10,000?
I think we should play it a little bit closer to the ear and see. If it has a nice pop quickly, then I think we could lock it in. But I think if it climbs, then it might continue to climb.
I love that daily chart on it, though. You know.
It does look fantastic coming right
I think
off
we
of
get
the
an
moving
easy,
averages.
quick climb to at least 102.
I mean, if
So I'll
this candle,
probably wait
if
until
this
about
candle were to
102.
close like this today on the daily time frame, then I think you have a lot more room to run up to that 102, 103 area.
on the S&P is almost going to take you above yesterday's intraday high. As we said, a lot of data, got some blockbuster M&A. Obviously, the rail strike averted.
Yeah, plenty of positive news to point to this morning. We're about 30 minutes into the trading session. Here are three big movers you're watching, starting with rail operator CSX, naming former Ford President Joe Hinrichs as its new CEO. This is the rail industry avoids a national strike, as Carl just mentioned, and we will have more on that in a moment. But
Will you share that group me in the trade room they're talking about there? You gotta.
Yeah, well.
getting upgraded to outperform at Evercore, citing the company's revenue opportunities from its planned ad-supported tier as well as limits to password sharing. Netflix getting a boost on that, up about 5%, and Adobe getting crushed after pre-announcing its results, falling short on its revenue outlook for the.
Let's see, Snapchat back up 5%, PayPal up about 1% there. Nice run on PayPal. Robinhood 4%.
All about the top line and accelerating top line. We're an extremely profitable company. And what we have said is we have some aggressive goals in terms of being able to make this accretive in year 3, which is rapid, as well as driving top line growth. So, I think from the perspective of shareholders, what we've said is we will offset, dilution while the transaction's underway. But we believe that it rapidly actually enables us to accelerate our bottom line EPS as well.
Still shareholders, of course, of Adobe, not too thrilled about today's news. However, to your point, Carl, earlier, it is
Hertz up 4% there today.
Correction on Ribbon,
$20 billion deal, the largest takeover of a private software company. So, in this current environment where M&A
Netflix up over 5% now.
$20 billion tech deal,
JP Morgan right up there, 1.8%. Didn't I tell you that was going to catch up with BAC?
Yep.
It's just one of those playbook things that you got to do there. You see the financials trading in tandem there, and one of them's lagging behind the other. Easy money there, jumping in that one that's lagging.
Further fewer between those than M&A.
Mortgage rates top 6% for the first time since the financial crisis.
Highest in 14 years.
Talking about big companies, but also trying to negotiate a price in the public markets right now is a very difficult thing to do when you've got the volatility and when you've got questions about potential recession coming. And so that has also been a gating issue. This is not a public company. It's a private company. Although, Leslie, by last accounts, at least, where its last private market value was far below what they're paying. So a significant premium here. And obviously the decision to use half cash, half stock for a company whose stock is down dramatically, who's been buying back, 5.1 million shares the last quarter. Kind of interesting in terms of how they went about doing it, given they're going to be, as you heard Shantanu say, spending a lot of that stock, so to speak, to acquire this company. And right now, the market not reacting particularly well.
Yeah, and you asked that
Look at that candle there on Q's and SPY. The last 4 minutes.
where the stock price is currently trading. But to your point, it had the valuation
Pop and
for
drop.
this company.
See, like, there's not much going on right now. Everything's pretty flat. We got 17 people that want to join the group me. We got to verify their members there. If they're not members, get them the hell out. I don't know. It just seems like there's a lot of people I haven't recognized. Come on, Q's. Hold that 295 there. Let's see, Baba 90.48. Robinhood up 5%. It's a pretty flat day, guys. It's expected here for a Thursday.
And surgical procedures. That, according to the two unions. Workers have been outraged that due to layoffs, long-haul trips, and last-minute staffing, they could be fired for an unexpected doctor's appointment. This morning, incoming CSX CEO acknowledged the scheduling strategy known as precision railroading had contributed to low morale.
And with this operating model that we have, to figure out how we move from here, how we build from here, how we use this operating model that we have that delivers very strong results to better serve our customers and frankly better serve our employees.
There we go. Let's go PayPal. Pick it up there.
How do we improve the business going forward?
President Biden, after expressing frustration this week at companies' resistance to that time off, hailed the deal as a win. We're expecting to hear more from the Labor Secretary later today. Guys?
Kayla, thanks so much. Such an important story. Kayla Tauscher. Meantime, markets are a bit tepid here on the Nasdaq 100 with the sell-off on Tuesday, offsetting this week's gains. Retail sales, claims coming in both better than expected. Our next guest says the key indicator for central banks will be mounting job
International
losses.
Brotherhood Teamsters has stated on the executive rail agreement says
It's great to have you back, Joe. Tell me about why you think the Dubs will reemerge and what's going to force that.
Well, I think as Carl, as you saw on Tuesday, inflation is looking very persistent here and worrisome. So, aggregate demand continues to be quite strong. So we think for the Fed to get to their targeted level of inflation, which is a long way from where we saw Tuesday's number, you're going to have to really reduce.
Snapchat has taken off.
Look at PayPal too. Just got a big boost there. I'm watching that on the minute charts here above, but nice breakout there.
Remains very, very strong.
Now, one of the points about the terminal rate out of JP Morgan, at least this morning,
Snapchat up 5.4%. That's a nice one.
are still trailing the Fed's estimates, and they say, look, the estimates can always be revised, but in their view, it's going to be awfully hard to get the median dot, say, above 4. So did the market overreact on the CPI print?
We don't think so, because that's why we've been defensive as it relates to risk assets, because we think there's still a long way to go to get to a terminal rate. I mean, in our team's work, we think that the Fed needs to move to the 4.25, 4.5 level as terminal rates at some point later this year, early 2023, and that's another couple hundred basis points from
to prices paid in some of these regional surveys, retail sales, ex-autos and gas, first drop of the year, industrial production going from up 0.5 now into negative. I mean, how much credence do you think he gives that in his presser?
Hard to say. I do think that there's lots of inputs that go into ultimately a $20 trillion.
AMC is taking off nicely right now.
Yeah, I see AMC and Ape there too. But PayPal's starting to break out big time there again. Liking it.
It's almost at highs of the day.
Yeah, it's just a slow moving day though, you know. I like a lot of action going on. There we go. She's starting to
Tesla
break
just
now
broke
again.
out.
Everything's starting to get a nice breakout here
It is
again.
breaking out.
I'm watching Q's and Spy. Back up 9% on our PayPal trade. $700. Skyjacker, you in Tesla? Nice. Island Time's in Miami. I was thinking about going down to Miami there soon, Island Time.
Donating his $3 billion company entirely to fight climate change.
Plus, after 864 days, Tesla gives e-throne as Wall Street.
There we go. PayPal was just at highs of the day.
We should make a trip down to Miami, Dave.
And we're gonna have a lot more from my sit-downs with Disney's chief.
I'm going down there fishing soon.
We are going down there fishing soon.
Huh?
We are going down there fishing soon.
Yeah, you could come, definitely. Yep, you can bring Yvette and Cass. Be a nice time. Just to let you know though, when I fish, I'm hardcore into fishing. So
don't talk to me. Don't look at me. Just let me.
Exactly.
Just me
Let
in the
me
pool,
just-
man. Me in the water. I gotta feel
You know
it.
what I like to do too is I usually bring some soy sauce and wasabi with me too, because the blackfin
Sashimi?
tuna down there
Oh yeah,
are amazing.
See, I've never gotten to do that, and that's one of the things I want to do. Is I want to have tuna fresh right out of the
Oh, it's
water,
the
man.
best.
Cooked,
They also
prepared
like
right
I
then and
usually
there.
go on the yacht. You know, like it's like a yacht there. It's got like a bedroom.
Yeah.
It's got a kitchen in it and everything. It's a private charter fishing headquarters. You got it, and it's nice because you only go about a mile off, and then you use kites. You know, kites in the sky for the sailfish and the marlin and the tuna and everything like that.
It takes the line
yeah,
all the way out
so it takes
there,
all the way
right?
out because
Yeah.
they're spooky fish. So you got to send that fucker all the way down, like a mile
Yeah.
down there, so they don't hear your boat. So you send that down, and it's just a great time. It's just so relaxing there, enjoyable.
PayPal. Look at PayPal.
Oh, look at PayPal. Yes.
Nice.
Oh, there we go. Up 13% on the day, $1,100. But yeah, that type of fishing, you catch something nice like a grouper, snapper there too. It's amazing. Can you hear me? Not sure. Could you guys still hear me? I just heard my thing go. I don't know if it made a noise there that it's dead. Yeah, okay, they could hear. But yeah, Jill, Island Time. I'd be down there if I was in Miami. If I were you, I'd be doing a fishing trip. For sure. Man, PayPal looked good. It hit $99. She's going $100 today.
What are we up on those right now?
I'm up 14%. But that fishing trip's coming. I've been looking at it every day. Like I'm the type of person like when I want to do something, you know me. I am researching it and looking at it 24 hours a day. So I see the type of fish they're getting. It's coming soon. You know, I'd say another couple of weeks they're going to be the prime time for the big fish.
Markets look like they want to get a small climb. You know, SPY could retest back up to the 398
The market
level.
should get a climb today.
Come retest
Or
that
we're
10-day
going to
moving
remain
average.
somewhat flat. You know,
Either way,
I don't think we're going to have a big move
we
either
may not
way.
be having many moves until we get that interest rate hike decision next week.
Yeah, that's true too.
You can take a look there at the 10-year look at Verizon stock. We've been talking
That's definitely going to be a market mover there. That's probably a good chance now to jump into the financials,
Right?
you know, up until next week, and then we could sell them right before
Buy the
the
rumor, sell the
decision.
news kind of thing.
Yeah. I wouldn't be against doing a trade like that against one of the financials.
Justin asked, do you think that rail strike will do anything?
If we get a rail strike there, Justin, you're going to see prices higher than you've seen them for anything. I'm telling you that much right now. There's no doubt about that.
That would obviously drive
The
markets
railway
a lot
runs
lower.
the country. And obviously flight too, but definitely the railway, they go on strike there, it's going to be a problem.
Taking off.
I'm watching PayPal there. Let's break that 99 bucks. I'm watching Bob up over there. $90.81 at highs of the day right now. Q's are starting to get a nice little breakout there along with SPY. Looking pretty good there. Watching our Snap now up 6% on the day. She's up 70 cents. And one time said won't be a real strike. They settled last night. I don't know. I didn't hear anything about it.
I didn't either.
I heard they're still hardcore on it this morning.
Our job is to see that we meet the consumers in every area of that, both for us to grow, but to also give the customers and the consumers the right
Bank of America looks nice too.
We're not growing right now. I mean, you know, and in fact, I think when I look back,
Bob is at highs of the day.
ARPU down 1.5% year over year. You've lost market share in every quarter since the second quarter of 2020.
Amazon looks ready to break out. AMC is just continuing to take off. Look at those last 6-7 candles on AMC real fast.
I got AMC and Ape right here. She's looking good. I'm not a fan though of it, you know. I'm really not.
Not after everything that went on with it.
Oh, there goes Q's breaking out again. Looking good.
Which we have addressed right now with a new welcome plan, which is addressing that tier. And as I said here at this event, that we have seen good traction.
Hate when it's slower days though, you know. I like a lot of action going on. Love when we're making those trades like fire, you know. Quick in and outs. But right now, you know, you really can't do that type of trading. Watching Q's and SPY though. She starts breaking above that 296.50 on Q's. I'm all in.
For EBITDA, how do you balance that? Because things seem to be better in terms of adding subs when you're promotional and not as good when you're not.
Yeah, but if you look at our EBITDA this year, we took down our guidance in the second quarter to be flat to minus 1.5%. That still means that we're going to do somewhere between $47 to $48 billion in EBITDA, which is way higher than anybody in the industry, double some of the guys in the market. So we are thinking a lot about balance between getting new customers, but at the same time creating this cash flow that is so important for our capital allocation, for our dividend. That
there goes PayPal again, 98.84. 98.89. Q's are getting a nice breakout there. You watching Q's?
Yep, watching Q's, watching SPY.
Then there can be quarters where we lose a little bit on net ads in the consumer segment, but we want to be disciplined. We want to be surgical, and where we acquire new customers and see that it's actually value accretive. You know,
Amazon's got a nice breakout there too.
And I have again with some of your predecessors, the value proposition that you have relied on to a certain extent has been the network. In 4G, it was clear. It doesn't seem as clear now moving into 5G. When I've looked at these various surveys, T-Mobile now is starting to rank very high, in fact higher than Verizon on 5G, not overall, because obviously 4G is still an important part of it, but when it comes to speed, coverage, reliability. So what's the value proposition?
So the measurement there is out is Root Metrics, which is the third-party measurement, and as far as I know, we've won that for 15 consecutive years.
Yeah.
That's the most important measurement.
There's a bunch of others though.
Yeah, but they are user-generated. This is the real when you actually use the same phones and the same network.
Boba's trying to break 91 bucks now. SPY and Q's just got a big red candle pulling back sharply there, taking off all those gains in the past 10 minutes.
With our C-band, which is the mid-band for 5G, really powerful.
You spent a lot of money on that.
We spent a lot of money, but it's definitely going to make a big difference for our customer. And what we see right now on the C-band, which we deploy that in different markets, our step-up ratio is going up, meaning our customers are going up to higher plans. So we see definitely there's a correlation between our 5G and our continued excelling in our network performance and having the best network. It's paying off.
You don't look back and regret at all the reliance on 5G millimeter wave and sort of what you focused on there and how much it obviously cost you to buy the C-band?
No, and cost-efficient way.
Has
So
TV
I think we're
resuming
just
now
getting the
since
best assets.
Bravo?
We have
There's a big pullback right now.
over 20 million
Yeah, it looks like it's happening.
subscribers or
8%
value segment.
close.
We decided to
Again,
divest with Verizon Media Group, so we're a
DOJ
very
was
clean
sued
company. We
by
have a
the
clear strategy.
4.3
With a
billion
network is supporting
as
all
Apple
customer groups. So
and
I have more to do, and but
Home-
I feel really confident what
and
we're doing and how
Russell
it's actually paying off.
Yeah,
Spectrum brands.
But how do you communicate with your investors right now? Obviously, you just did here at the Goldman Sachs conference that we're at, but the stock's flat for 10 years. It hasn't outperformed the S&P. It hasn't even outperformed the communications group. It's lagged both. You have a strong dividend yield, but in part
And
of the
ESR
stock's down.
secures first
I mean, what do
multi-year
you tell
directional delivery
frustrated
services
shareholders right now?
contract with
They
Saudi
hear you
Arabia,
talking
Rapid
about potential
Sandy,
growth in the future,
L'Oreal,
but have not yet seen it for
So what we need to remember, we have grown our beta every year up to last year. So yeah, I think we have been growing. We have been growing our top line as well. We are a little bit less this year. We only grown this year, but it's more of inorganic as we're both Tracfone.
Yeah, definitely. Market's pulling back a little bit here. Thinking about doing a
stock price then, or is it
a SPY put, but I already have the SPY hedge. I was just looking at that. I already have the hedge
And I think what we are doing is really to make
that we picked up yesterday, so I'll just hold on to that.
cash generation, which were best in the market, and that's why we're really trying to think about how we allocate that capital in the best way, and then start growing our business again. So many things are actually coming together for us this year. We got the Spectrum this year, we got Tracfone this year, we divested Verizon Media Group. We have a 5-year outlook that we really are focused on to continue to grow. We have more vectors to grow than anybody else. We have fixed wireless access, we have mobile edge compute, we have mobility, and many things that we can grow on the same network.
So the promise of 5G that we've talked about for years is still coming, and you are confident it's going to be delivered.
It's actually here, and many of the things I said in the beginning is actually happening. When almost 60% of our customers have 5G.
I know, and it's great. I can pick my phone up and things can be quicker, but what we talked about were the ancillary revenue streams that would be created.
SOFI
The
so
same way
fine
they were as a result of the
$7
introduction.
Yeah,
Well,
we
we
got
didn't
mainly
expect
first in the
Yeah.
enterprise segment, and we're going to see that with private networks, and we're already seeing it. But to scale it is probably 2-3 years left for scale the enterprise solution that get really big. But I see this happening, and I've already seen it on consumer side. As I said, unlimited premium is a 5G service for us, and that's where almost 40% of our customers already subscribe.
Right. I pointed this out on TV. I don't know if it means anything to you or not. T-Mobile now has a larger market cap than does Verizon. Does that bother you?
My job is to continue to develop Verizon and see that we are the most successful telecom carrier in the market, as we've been for many years. I'm going to continue to do that. I mean, there's a lot of competition out there that has coming and going. We have always been the leader. Our job is to continue to be the leader in the market in all aspects. So we're going to continue to execute on that.
All right, and just for our next interview's purposes, what should I judge you on? What should I be focused on in terms of you delivering on the promises you're making?
No, I think that what you should look at us and see that we're accretive on our EBIT over time. That's really where to focus on, and that would come with the growth on top line as well. We're going to continue to segment the market and see that we're meeting our customer needs. We have fixed wireless access. We have a lot of different things coming into the market at the moment that we're scaling. So that I think you should judge me on.
Now we have a sense at least what we should be talking to him about in the future. But Carl and Leslie certainly wanted to get some sense from him as to where he sees his company positioned right now. Again, we talk a lot about the stock price. It's a longer term issue. It's not really as much about this year, in part given the market is down almost as much as Verizon shares. But you clearly have to wonder in terms of their competitive position. He obviously explained how he views it and making sure that he delivers as much EBITDA as he possibly can from every customer, and the fact that he has a set of or a suite of offerings that he believes will be best put together to deliver on that promise of EBITDA growth or profitable growth is what I guess I should say, Leslie.
Well, yeah, David, and as you really challenged him on this idea of 5G and the ultimate end game there, he really was tasked with making that the forefront of this company when he was brought in 4 years ago as CEO. And as you pointed out, T-Mobile ranking higher on 5G. So really, what's going to be the value proposition there, given so much CapEx has been put into this?
Yeah, that's one of the key questions, and one we watch. This is a widely held stock, and
And we have
obviously
natural gas
they raised the
storage
dividend interviews. We're obviously running much of them, but certainly those who want to see the entirety, feel free. Please go to CNBC.com. We'll have more from Chapek coming up as well.
All right, David, that's a lot. I appreciate that. As we go to break, watch the Gap today. Kanye West says he is terminating the contract between the retailer and his Yeezy brand. He alleges that Gap failed to meet obligations like distributing products on time and creating dedicated Yeezy Gap stores. Shares not really reacting as the S&P's gone red.
Dylan, make something happen here so we get some movement.
I'll do a rain dance. How about that? A market volatility dance.
It's $50 a month with no price hikes. Damn! Son, get lunch on T-Mobile's wireless 5G network. So all you gotta do is plug in one cord. T-Mobile 5G.
It's breaking down nicely right now.
I know, I'm watching it there. I'm watching the SPY puts.
Don't sneak up on me like that. Why did you tell me to switch early?
Cautiously on this.
Where's your phone?
It's just getting started.
Let's get to work. Better find this guy fast.
Does it always need to be like this? Action.
We shall start finding our fugitive. And with full capacity. The Federal Bureau of Investigation behind me. The FBI's new seasons coming soon on CBS.
Sci-fi's Resident Alien is weird and wonderful. A cult favorite.
Good day out in the night.
Hilarious. And extremely entertaining. Resident Alien, all new Wednesdays at 10 on Sci-Fi. And streaming on Peacock.
The day's biggest political stories with trusted insight
Now.
and expert analysis now. A daily look at the politics behind the headlines. Meet the Press Now, streaming weekdays at 4 p.m. on NBC News.
Are you guys able to hear me by chance?
The day's biggest
On YouTube they can, not on Zoom.
Oh, okay.
expert analysis now. A daily look at the politics behind the headlines. Meet the Press Now, streaming weekdays at 4 p.m. on NBC News Now.
Speaking of which, we gotta shut off YouTube there. I totally forgot we were on YouTube. I'm watching the charts here. Guys on YouTube, have a great day. If you guys want to come join us, go to breakingchartalerts.com. Go to the website here, get signed up, breakingchartalerts.com. Join now, membership pricing plans. You guys can go here, and you guys can pick the plan that's best for you. If you have any questions, you can shoot us a message. And once you guys join, go to Live Trade Room. Click on Live Trade Room right here, and we'll be there. Education section right here for your lessons, your classes. And I will see you guys later on this afternoon. Hope you guys have a great day. Take care. God bless. Have a great day. Quantum said he heard you, Dylan. What's going on YouTube? Alrighty, guys. Take care.